How to add a photo to RedNote message on iPhone device. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a photo to RedNote message. For this, open the RedNote app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap the plus button located at the bottom center of the screen. Now choose the photo you want to post. Tap and choose from album. Now once you choose it, write your message or caption in the provided text field. Tap on this text right here and enter the message. Now once you write a message, you can tap on next. From here you can include hashtags. You can tag others by tapping here. Now once you enter it, you can just simply tap on post to share it with your followers. Just like that, you'll be adding a photo to RedNote message. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.